Welcome back to the channel.
Today's video is to help you explore the world of sushi. We go to a popular sushi chain in Japan.
To show you the different dishes available.
We give tips on fish selection and our recommendation for eating raw fish for the first time.
Even if it's just one bite.
First off, let's make some green tea. Add a heaped spoon to each cup. Most chain restaurants will have hot water at the table.
There are a few different types of sushi. The three main ones are nigiri,
This is the classic looking sushi with fish served on rice.
gunkan,
This is a rice bed surrounded by dry seaweed, which forms a little cup for a topping.
maki,
A roll of dried seaweed with rice and a filling inside. All of these may contain raw or cooked ingredients, depending on the dish. Funnily, gunkan is the Japanese word for battleship, as the shape is said to resemble one.
salmon, maguro, tai, saba, iwashi, kani, ebi, hamachi, tamago, ika, hotate, ikura. This is normally what we'll order first.
We've got cooked prawns, sweet tofu with rice inside, salmon, this looks very good, cucumber rolls, pan-fried egg, tuna, this plate looks a little chewy to be honest. These are gunkan with salmon roe. From our initial order, we can gauge which fish look good on a given day. Here we have 2 cuts of tuna. This is akami, which is the leanest part of the tuna. The piece on the left has clear white sinews running through it. It's going to be chewy compared to the piece on the right, or these ones which were super soft and melted in the mouth.
These cuts of yellowtail still have an edge on.
The texture will be noticeably firmer or chewy compared to these great cuts of salmon.
Other types of raw fish, like these sardines, naturally have a slightly harder texture and stronger fish flavor. Soy sauce. You can put soy sauce directly over your sushi.
Mix it with some wasabi, as Chem likes to do, and dip the fish separately. It is better to add soy to raw fish, even 3 or 4 drops.
A little bit of wasabi.
I love. Look at the wasabi. Are you okay? Oh, Phil is crying.
Wasabi is one of the best things in the world.
Okay, you wanna try?
We recommend these 4. Start with the pan-fried egg, which is slightly sweet, then the boiled prawns. Pull off the tails and add a little wasabi for a kick.
Salmon. Here we go. A few drops of soy and go for it.
Return to the safe side with a cucumber roll as you consider your next move. If the idea of raw fish alone with rice is too much, other options like this salmon and avocado with onion and mayo topping might be good. The salmon is still raw, but much less noticeable.
By the way, these are very good.
Stirring your tea with chopsticks will prevent rice from sticking to them. For people with dietary requirements, more and more stores have low-salt soy sauce.
Ask for gen-en shoyu.
For food safety, many sushi shops, even the revolving ones, will only prepare food to order. Before you order, try to see other folks' orders passing by on the conveyor. This way, you can understand the type of fish cuts being served.
It's fine to eat with your fingers, even in high-end places.
Dig down into the ginger pot. The slices at the bottom will be moist as they sit in the juice. Chem ordered the kids menu. Make your own sushi.
Hey, I'm a sushi chef today. What would you like to have? We have corn, salmon, bread, boiled prawn, tuna, egg, and cucumber. Oh, salmon too. We have salmon. Did it? How's it?
Very fresh.
Very great. メイク温軍艦。軍艦。
Oh. Yeah.
The idea of eating raw fish doesn't appeal to everyone, but still, visiting a sushi shop like this can be a fun experience, especially as they have a selection of cooked menu items as well.
We often go for the delicious prawn tempura, the sweet tofu, or even a noodle dish.
Okay, now you're all set to give sushi a try, or possibly a retry. If this video was helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and press the bell for notifications.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.